In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack Huddle. If you're looking for a quick and effective way to communicate with your team or friends without the need for setting up lengthy calls or meetings, Slack Huddle is an excellent feature to explore. It allows you to join an impromptu voice conference right there in your existing Slack workspace. Let's dive into the steps to get you started with using Slack Huddle efficiently. First, the process begins with, of course, a visit to your Slack application, so go ahead and open it up. Once you've got Slack open, you'll need to navigate to the channel or direct message where you want the conversation to happen. This could be a group channel relevant to your team or perhaps a private conversation with a particular colleague. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see an icon resembling a pair of headphones. Clicking this icon is your cue to initiate the huddle. By doing this, you start the huddle and members of that conversation are then able to join. Anyone who's in the same channel or involved in the direct message can see the huddle is active and can join in as well. Now let's talk about how you can join an ongoing huddle yourself. If you notice that a huddle is live, perhaps indicated by a notification or a distinctive icon in your Slack sidebar, it's super easy to hop in. You'll want to open up the channel or direct message where the huddle is taking place. Once there, you'll find the Join button or the same headphones icon we discussed earlier. Click either option, and just like that, you'll enter the huddle, ready to communicate with anyone else who's also joined. It's that simple. And it's a wonderful way to quickly collaborate without the formality of a planned meeting. Lastly, we can't forget about the microphone controls, an essential component of effectively managing your presence in a huddle. Once you're actively participating in a huddle, you'll find options to control your microphone. You can choose to mute yourself when you're not actively engaging, which is always courteous to avoid background noise disrupting the conversation. And when you have something to say, simply unmute yourself and share your thoughts. There's also the convenient choice of keeping your microphone muted by default, only unmuting when you need to contribute. This practice can help keep the attention on whoever is speaking, ensuring clear and concise communication among participants. With these straightforward steps, you're now well equipped to start using Slack Huddle to enhance your team collaborations. It's an excellent tool for maintaining seamless and spontaneous interactions with the people you work with. Give it a try and see how it fits into your communication routine.